Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a file on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to rename a file on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open File Explorer on your computer. And once you're here, navigate to the folder or directory where your file is located. Then just find the file that you want to rename. Once you've found it, simply click the file to select it. Now, there are different ways to rename a file. The easiest way is by pressing F2 on your keyboard after selecting the file. This will allow you to immediately change the file name. Or you can also click the rename icon right here and then enter the new name. As simple as that, the name of your file will be changed. Now, if you want to rename multiple files at once, you can simply drag your mouse over the files to select them all. Once you've selected all the files, you can use either of the two methods we just mentioned. Press F2 on your keyboard or click the rename icon. However, keep in mind that when you rename multiple files this way, Windows will give all of them the same base name and automatically add a number to each file to keep the names unique. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily rename one or multiple files on your PC or laptop. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.